Hello guys. Welcome to today's section. Today we'll check out 6 UX lessons you can learn from a banana. Color indicator. The color of the banana is an easy visual indicator of it's ready to eat. Lesson 1. Use color and patterns to show app's internal state. Make sure that the user clearly knows the app's internal state. Mobile. Eating is mobile use case and bananas support it with a slim shape and built-in casing. Lesson 2. Learn which app functions the user wants to use on the go and add a mobile experience for them. Easy to eat. No hidden seeds and no surprises make eating a banana delightful and enjoyable. Lesson 3. Users do not like surprises. So, you have to earn their trust. Make sure users always clearly know what is happening or what is about to happen. Not messy. No need for a knife. No need to wash and dry. Nothing will leave a mark on clothes. Just peel and eat. Lesson 4. Users should not need any extra settings, tools or efforts to use your product. Reduce clutter and simplify things to provide a seamless experience. Versatile. Eat as a fruit or add to cereal, smoothies or baked goods. Banana is a good fit in anything. Lesson 5. The more problems you solve for your user, the more reasons your user will have to use your product. Solve variety of use cases and enjoy more usage and engagement. Available. You can find banana in every grocery store, every country and every continent in every season of the year. Lesson 6. Be where your user wants to find you. Do not limit yourself to one screen size or device. Or local and meaningfully expand your reach. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. Bye.